Welcome back. I'm gonna start this off like by saying I know a lot of people don't care about what goes on in the world and what can affect them in this world, and I know it's a lot of people that do. So for those who do, stick around, man. The Amazon is on fire. That's one of our main rainforests. Rainforests, they um they make their own rain naturally by itself. It's just a cycle that happens. The, what kills me is they said it's been over 74,000 fires in Brazil alone, and they saying like half of them been in the Amazon rainforest. Do they not know how important it gives off 20% of our oxygen, right? So, in order to make oxygen, they need to have that carbon. So, what we breathe out, they breathe in, vice versa. So, if 20% of that leaves, that's more oxygen that's getting replaced with our breath. An old man, the old man once told me, he said, if the world keep it up, we're gonna die by our own breath. And I didn't know what he was talking about at first when I was a young kid when he said this to me. And then it came back to me when I got a little older, like, dang, I remember my old man said some crazy stuff to me. He said, that we'll die by our own breath. And I get it now. If we chop down all the trees and matter of fact, they call it deforestation. Deforestation, right? It's like what it's like. It's like they burn down stuff and get rid of stuff so they can make room for like wastelands and you know places whatever they want to do to it, like for farming, for cattle and for all the farming stuff. But the Amazon ain't been made for that because without the rainforest, it's actually a desert, and that's what people don't realize. Once you stop the rain, it's gonna become a desert because that's what it really is. Without that ecosystem that's going on. But the Amazon, they said the Amazon got like 16 different species of trees, 2.5 billion insects, like 40,000 plants, different plants, like like 2,500 fish, different fish, like 1,300 different birds, like 500 different like little mammals, fucking like 500 like amphibian species, like 400 reptile species. There's all type of stuff that's out there. Plus, it's like 400 different tribes that live out there. It's crazy, man. And it used to be like 6 million square feet. It used to be before they started burning all stuff down, making you know what they want out of it. Cause forget the trees, we don't need them, right? But yeah, So it used to be like 6 million square feet. Do you know it's only like 2.6 million square feet now? They did an estimation, and that's how much is missing. They've been busy, man. They've been getting rid of some stuff, and they said the president like threw this little law, and now it like what was once outlawed is now not even cared about by the law. It's crazy. And they said he cut like 23 million in the money that the people that take care of it, they job, you know how they get paid to take care of certain things like in the communities and then the ones supposed to take care of the forest and all that type stuff. They cut their budget by 23 million. Whew. So that let me know they was planning some shit, man. They was on one with this one, man. And the craziest thing about it, the rainforests help our like our fresh water and stuff that we drink. They help that. You know what I'm talking about? It help the temperatures of the world. You know what I'm saying? To keep up with the weather pattern, make sure that's you know what I'm saying. Once you start messing with it, you start messing up the world, and that's why certain places that used to be cold all the time starting to be hot more, and vice versa. You know, but this is crazy, man. And the crazy thing, and one of the things that I think about the most is they said it's like over 2,000 plants with cancer, with anti-cancer properties in them that could help with cancer. And they said like they only look through like 1% of the plants to see what they can cure. Only like 1%. That's what they saying. That ain't nothing. They ain't even get the dirt under the nail of knowledge that we don't know about these plants, and they just like they don't care. They just burning them all down. Forget the chances of curing life, because you know it really ain't about life for people. Who cares, right? As long as they getting rich, all they feel I ain't gonna be here for it. So, but they gonna be rich before they go. It reminded me of that one movie. I was watching a movie with my kids. It was like um, I can't remember, but they had everybody living in this bubble, and they was charging people for oxygen, and it was outlawed to go outside the bubble. And one day, one of the little dudes went outside the bubble and realized that it was a little oxygen out there, and the reason why it ain't that much because it ain't no more trees. So yeah, they messing up the whole planet. That's why everything's been acting weird. That's why the planet been acting so crazy because they keep doing things that don't even make sense. It's crazy, man. So all I know is if the rainforests go, it's taking 20% of our oxygen with it. It's a lot of more weather patterns gonna be messing up because if it was 6 million square miles of that rainforest at first, and now it's only 2.5 million versus 6 million. Whew, Like, when something that important, when you want to reserve it, like, you know what I mean? But what can you do besides send the love to the charities that's looking over the Amazon and trying to help as much as they could, and but I hope y'all know, man, the more oxygen we lose, the more harder it's gonna be to breathe. And I don't want to live in no fake oxygen bubble or nothing. But it's gonna be a new world once it happens. People got to come together when something threatens them real tough. But like they saying, they taking down the trees and burning all the shit up to make room for farms. That's all I can say about this, man. Say the Amazon. Love to all.